Set code by reference will enable you to set the level of a code based on the level of another code in the same cross-section. So to run this, we'll go to Variations, Custom Variation, and choose Set Code by Reference. So in this example, we've got this right table drain code, and you can see there that it's got a slope of 1 in 4. So what we want to do is to initially just set its elevation with reference to the right shoulder code here. So we're going to go in and just use a chainage range from about 0 to 100. We're going to adjust the right table drain code, or RTD code, with reference to the shoulder code here, RSH. So at this point, if you just simply wanted to take a code elevation and match it to the elevation of another code within the same cross-section, you could just simply do this, which if we click Add Update, you can see my right, or RTD code, is now matching. Now, to take this one step further, if we then want to adjust its elevation by adding a level adjustment, we can do that. So I can just say, well, I want it to be 1 meter lower, so -1, and update, and that TD code is now 1 meter lower. However, we've got some width adjustment options. So if you do decide that you want to maintain that 1 in 4, but also be 1 meter below, you can come into width adjustment and then choose maintain section slope. So that section slope is currently 1 in 4, and what it will do is it will project that 1 in 4 until it is 1 meter below the shoulder code. We click Add Update. So you have to be careful, obviously, with using that particular option to ensure that you don't end up with slopes that could potentially be projecting it in the opposite direction, forcing your code onto the other side of the template. There are some other options in here where you can pick an alignment. By picking alignment, you would then go ahead and choose that alignment from the pull-down list, or you can pick a polyline to fix the horizontal location or the offset. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the polyline picker tool here, pick the polyline that is in the drawing here, and then click on Add Update. You can see we'll get a very small adjustment there, but that adjustment to its offset is only where the polyline is being drawn. If you want to ensure that you're getting that location matching to the polyline at all the vertices, have a look at the resample sections by layers video found in the ScriptX playlist and the V25 playlist to ensure that you get sample lines being drawn wherever the vertices are on your polylines and line work.